Hi, I'm Gianna, Mama G, the Flavors of New York with...
I'm Paulie G, and I'm here to eat. Here we are in the Morris Park section of the Bronx, and we're here to check out Anna Clair's. This place looks awesome.
So we're here with Jimmy from Anna Clair's, Salumeria. Can you tell us a little bit about Anna Clair's?
Sure. We established in 1972. My mom and dad opened it, and we started half the size of the store. And we make our own sausage, our own mozzarella, hot and cold sandwiches, catering for any occasion, barbecues.
When your parents opened this up, were you working here? Were you old enough to be working here?
I worked from day one.
Did you continue working the whole time?
Yes. The day my
great.
father bought it, I was playing in the park. He came and picked me up and said, I have a job for you. He had me clean all the walls on day one. Yeah. I'll never forget that day.
You never left?
I never left the store. No, I've been here since day one.
Thing.
Yes.
That's what happens when you start a business with the family. My father did the same thing. He bought a place and we had to clean it out and do all of that from day one.
Who are your patrons? Who are the people that come in here and continue to come in here over the years?
Oh, the ones that come from over the years, we can go from generation to generation. Not only with us, but our customers also. That their mothers came in years ago, just neighborhood people. We get a lot of people also from different parts of the Bronx that come to Morris Park to shop.
Can you tell me a little bit more about your menu, your to-go, and then what are you most known for here in the community?
Okay. On our menu, we have a lot of different options. You have all different pastas. You have penne vodka, baked ziti, stuffed shells, ravioli.
I saw that you have a fried chicken hero on air. Would it be possible to get that with fresh mozzarella, roasted peppers, and a little olive oil and balsamic?
No problem at all.
Very good. And would you name that sandwich to Paulie G?
Paulie G, we're going to name it.
Right.
Okay, you got it. We're going to make the Paulie G special. Chicken cutlets, mozzarella, and roasted peppers, and balsamic vinegar. A little mozzarella.
Oh my God, look at that.
The side.
Oh.
Godfather salad.
How you doing,
Nice to
Sharon?
meet you, dear.
Nice to
How are
meet
you?
you.
Sharon, what do we have here? Can you explain what we're eating? Penne alla vodka. The Anna Clair's special. Chicken cutlet, mozzarella, roasted peppers. Godfather salad. And focaccia. Seasoned and plain.
I just heard that this sandwich is going to be called the Paulie G.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, very good.
Because I requested that. He said he would.
Okay, so tomorrow, Paulie G.
I hope so.
Okay.
I got to be the right place. But
That
oh,
chicken out?
hold
We're
on.
ready for
Wait, I
you.
got a
Look
picture.
at that. Look at that.
We're all ready.
Let's hold up the
We have the
sandwich.
Paulie G.
Come on, I don't want to drop the thing.
We're all ready. Paulie G on special.
Morris Park seems like an incredible, great community. Can you tell me a little bit about this area?
Oh, definitely. Morris Park. We just have the greatest people. We really do. You have a mix of people, and everybody really takes care of each other.
It's a classical meatball, right? What are the meats inside the meatball?
You got all beef. You have the parsley, garlic, pepper, grated cheese,
Very nice.
and breadcrumbs. We've got the breadcrumbs.
80-20?
Very good.
Yes.
Very nice.
Nice.
Way
Very
to
good.
go.
Very good. Very classical
I love
tomato
soft
sauce.
meatballs like this.
A nice
Everyone
thick.
Those are still my mother's original recipe. Oh, I got it.
It's really difficult to make that kind of meatball in a big batch like that because you got to depend on people not breaking it up. You did a great job.
Go in. Go in.
I'm gonna take one more
Go
bite. I
ahead,
wasn't
go
gonna have
ahead.
another bite, but I'm gonna take another
I'm going
bite.
for the mozzarella. I wanted to taste the nuts.
No. You know,
What's
that's
the difference
probably
between
part
these
of the
two?
success too. We didn't change anything. We got the same sauces my father made back in 1972. We didn't change any of the recipes.
You know, that's the key. Because then you don't have to keep up with changing times. You just stay stuck
Yeah.
right there in time like that. The way to go.
Especially if it's working, why change it?
Yep.
When something works,
Yep. Cut
Can
this
I go
off.
in on that sandwich? I wanted to try the sandwich because everybody's known for their kind of, you know, classic
There's
sandwich.
the combo,
For
yes.
what they are, what
Yes.
their combo is, an Italian
Everybody
sandwich.
should,
Everybody
yes.
has one. But this one looks so unbelievable interesting. And I went for the seeds because Paulie G said, go for the seeds, go for the seeds.
You know why seeds? You go to get Sicilian pizza at my place, the whole bottom is sesame seeds.
I'm going to keep on
We're
eating.
gonna
You're not going to
snip
get
that
the
off
extra.
first.
Paulie,
Yeah.
this is great. That's just the right amount of salami, not too much. But the best thing about it's got the peppers in the glaze, just like inside of your sandwich. It's like a little balsamic in, like in your.
Look at that.
Look at that. And then my favorite mortadella. We all know my favorite's mortadella.
Well, you're gonna save me a little on the other end there,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I'm gonna cut it for you right now, but I'm gonna take two more bites first.
Look at that. I'm going in.
It's a perfect breakfast for me. It's breakfast. I think it's better for breakfast than eggs.
What do you think, Paulie?
Very good.
We do our toast.
There we go.
It's a nice sauce. It's not too heavy.
It's nice and creamy.
Yeah, nice and creamy, light, not too heavy. You can taste everything that's in there. I love that you. What is that? That's pancetta and what else?
prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto and sausage.
Oh,
Prosciutto.
Oh, the sausage. That's what it is.
oh, it's definitely, yeah.
Prosciutto and sausage and fresh tomatoes, right? It's very simple. I like it a lot. I love the fact that the pasta's al dente because some of it's so soupy you can't really enjoy it. It's nice and al dente. That's Godfather, right?
Yes, Godfather.
It's weird because everyone has a Godfather salad. A little mixture of a
Yes,
little bit of
different,
everything, right?
yes.
I want a hot pepper, but I don't want a hot pepper.
That's the beauty. Everybody makes
There's
their
the
own.
Godfather the way they do
Finish
it,
up,
right?
yeah.
Oh my goodness. I still have food in my mouth. Huge thank you, Jimmy, for having us here at Clair's. Paulie and I are just like enthralled with his paninis and having the best time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming.
And I ain't leaving until I get a bite of this one. Because
Yeah,
I haven't had a
that
bite
was
yet.
really good.
You're going at it. There you go.
From Morris Park, Flavors of New York, I'm Gianna Sabone, and
I'm Paulie G.
see you soon.